Which of the following is a true statement of the pH curve below? So we can look at the pH curve. We have curve A, which starts just below B, and then they end up in the same place. And then B, which starts just above, and they end up in the same place. Couple things to note. The equivalence point is at 7. So that means we have a strong acid being titrated by a strong base. Another thing to note is look at how many more milliliters of base have to be added to neutralize A than B. Okay, so the initial pH at 0 milliliters is determined by the concentration of the strong acid. And A starts just below B, which means that it has a higher hydrogen ion concentration, and that means it's more concentrated. It's the more concentrated acid. So A is more concentrated than B. Okay. But it takes a lot more base to neutralize it, right? It takes more base to neutralize it, but the final pH winds up the same up here. And remember that at the end, the pH is related to, it comes only from the strong base. And those end up the same, which means that the molarity of the base is the same, which is answer choice C. Same molarity for the acids and base. The acid and base have the same molarity. But the acid A needs more base to reach the neutralization point, and hence A is more concentrated.